Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to do some cherries with our red rhinestones. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of spilt milk and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using your thin nail art brush in just white, paint a horizontal line where you want your French tip to be. Paint a line down the middle. Start where you want your tip to begin and then a diagonal line to the center of your tip. Make the intersection of the two lines rounder. Using your gel nail polish brush, fill in the tip and cap the free edge. Tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Using the nail art glue and your dotting tool, place 2 sets of dots onto your nail where you want your cherries to be. Using your dotting tool, pick up a red rhinestone labelled number 1 on the pack and place it on top of your nail art glue. Move any rhinestones needed before curing, keeping it close together to create 2 sets of cherries. Cure for 60 seconds. Using your thin nail art brush and Amazonian, paint the stalks of your cherries. Try to keep one stalk thinner than the other. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. You want to remove some top coat around the rhinestones if needed by wiping excess off your brush. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.